In this video, I will explain why you cannot lock your Facebook profile while using professional mode and how you can lock it in the correct way. So let's get started. First of all, Facebook does not support profile locking when professional mode is turned on. So if you are using professional mode, the lock option will simply not appear. To lock your profile, you must turn off professional mode. Open your Facebook app and you need to go to your profile, tap on the three dots under your name. Now select turn off professional mode. Confirm your choice and don't worry, turning it off won't delete your post, photos or friends. So now go back to your profile again, tap the three dots once more. This time you should see the option lock profile. Tap on it and confirm. Your profile is now locked. After locking, only your friends can see your full-size photos, post and timeline details. All your public posts will automatically switch to friends only, giving you more privacy. If you still don't see the lock option, update your Facebook app, clear the app cache, try reinstalling Facebook, or switch to another device. Also remember that the lock profile feature is not available in every country. So if you want to keep professional mode and still stay private, you can manually adjust your privacy settings, limit who can see your post, enable profile reviews and hide your personal details. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.